This is 7807 Bell Tower Lane in Union City. There's some trash out by the street, pretty moderate amount. A little bit of overgrown bushes. There's a hornet's nest in the soffit up there. The trash in the bushes. Go around to the back and check it out. A little bit of trash back here. Missing a light globe on the exterior light. Some weeds on the HVAC units. Missing gutter downspout elbow. Gonna walk in. Carpet is severely damaged. Gonna need a full paint. All the walls are pretty much scuffed, beyond touch up and repair. Get you a little better idea of the carpet. There's moderate drywall repair. Missing a discussion on the wall there. That needs to be the cable box outlet cover remounted. More drywall repair. So 2-inch, 60-inch / 2-inch wood blind that's damaged. Moving here to the kitchen. Pretty intact for the most part. Could use some priming underneath the sink. The wet areas could be caulked. Food and stuff still in the refrigerator. No power to this house either, so. Pantry. Now we'll go upstairs. Carpet continues to look bad up here. Got damaged blind. Some more carpet. More carpet. Need primer on the wall over here. More carpet. Some excessive wires and drywall repair. We have 2 doors here that need dummy knobs on them. We also need to do some adjusting on the existing ball catches too. A couple missing door stops, just periodically. Up Paul Baptist needs basically some accessories. Kind of hard to see. This is a toilet paper holder. Moving into the master bedroom. More carpet. More excessive wires. There's some drywall damage. Some old curtain hardware. Master bath. Just needs painting in here, basically not too bad. Maybe I'm missing toilet paper holder. Not too much to see, and maybe a shower head needs to be put on.